Alright, this is my 2012 Acura TL. And I'm feeling the AC. There I am. Feel the AC that is real slow. It's not throwing as much as it should. So I'm gonna show you guys, just give you a heads up, how you can change the filter, the cabin filter. It's really easy. I'm not a mechanic. Not even close. So open up glove box. Let me see how you guys can see. You pull out this little shelf. Let's put this to the side. Then, okay, that's the filter right there. We got so you see it? You see the little size? One here, right here, one here, and one on the opposite side. Yeah, push those inwards and pull it out. I already did it. But my AC, I just spend a lot of money getting it replaced, fixed, whatever. But it still feels like really lazy. So, okay, let me see if I can pull it out. Pull this out. Mind you, I don't know what we're gonna find here, but I bought this vehicle 2 years ago, and I never thought about changing this until it started giving me trouble. But you and me, we're both gonna get this surprise, what I was saying. Wow. Look at this crap. This is crazy. That's why not everything makes sense. Jesus Christ. That's the one that's in there. And I went to auto shop, bought one very cheap. It came out to $10. And that's what